everyone. What an amazing event. Day 5 is now complete. I cannot believe that we are another year done. This is crazy. So thank you to all of the attendees who showed up, watched the sessions, have sent us feedback, let us know how you loved everything that you were hearing and that you were seeing, and how many notes you took and how you're going to be applying all that you learned. A huge shout out and thank you to all of our amazing speakers. Every single one of them has just really brought the knowledge, really brought the information, and truly gave their all inside this event. So thank you from the bottom of my heart for that. Definitely keep in mind that day 5, all of those sessions will come down tomorrow. So if you have not yet had the opportunity to go check them out, definitely do so. This is all about taking care of you on day 5, doing all those things you need to do to be able to step into that role and serve your tribe and continue to systematize and scale your business. So you do not want to miss those sessions, and they will be gone tomorrow. For those of you that have not already done so, a ton of you are joining the Facebook group and getting in there and continuing the conversations and sharing a little bit about yourselves and telling us a little bit about where you are in business and what systems and such you're working on. Definitely come and join us over there. The link is all throughout the entire live summit pages, and I can also put it here in the comments inside this live video. You definitely want to come over there and join us inside the Facebook group if you have not already done so. You can just look for Facebook groups and search the Systems Lounge and you will find us. If you want to continue receiving a lot of these major trainings like we're offering inside the summit, you definitely want to make sure you are in there. As a matter of fact, I'm running the Master Your Marketing Training Challenge again next week so that people who really need to master that as a system to use for themselves can really hone in and get that done. What else did I need to let you know? Oh, yes. You're also out of time on the All Access Pass. For those of you that have not yet grabbed that, definitely go over there and snag that right now. Not only are you going to get lifetime access to all the live sessions that you have been enjoying this week, but you're also going to get every single one of those much deeper dives that I take with every single speaker, continuing along the lines of those same introductory systems that they're sharing with you. We go deeper, we get more into the intricate details and actually help you plan them out inside those advanced sessions. So you do not want to miss those. Go ahead and snag that right now, because that is also going to expire. I think that is pretty much it, guys. Thank you to everyone who has attended. This has been an absolutely amazing experience for all involved, and I appreciate each and every one of you. Okay, guys, look for me next week inside the group. You will see me there live. Bye, everyone.